the most famous ladies' books publications of the 19th century was Godey's, and here we have a bound volume, a complete year of 12 issues, all with their original engravings, as well as these folding hand-colored fashion plates. There are 12 of these folding plates. There are innumerable various full-page images throughout. If we just casually skim through the volume, I think you can see that it's well illustrated, and these plates here are all clean and fresh looking. There's some toning due to the offsetting of the engraved image and facing a tissue guard, but that's trivial in our perspective. And these engravings here are all clean and fresh. This is very well preserved internally. It's profusion of articles on a wide range of topics. And this beautiful 19th century Godey's Ladies book is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.